Israel's second deadly blow to Iran military has just been reported. In fact, new Iran military chief has been killed in the Israeli airstrikes. This is what we are picking up. Israel has made a statement saying that they have killed top Iran general Ali Shadmani. Ali Shadmani had been appointed 5 days ago by the Iranian government, and now he too has been eliminated by Israel, is what Israel is claiming. It is certainly a huge blow to the Iran military as their top leaders are being targeted by Israel. Israel had made it clear from day one that this is a very precise operation that they are executing against Iran. They call it a specialized military operation, and they say that this is primarily to hit out against their military leaders, against their nuclear sites, and all that will help Iran become a nuclear power will be neutralized by Israel. But this certainly is a huge blow once again to Iran, because their military chief had been appointed just 5 days ago, and now he too has been eliminated. Cutting across to Shivani Sharma, joining us on the broadcast with further details. Shivani, what more are you picking up? Certainly a huge blow for Iran. Their top leader, General Ali Shadmani, has also been neutralized. And the very many statements coming in from global leaders. Can Trump actually call for truce? Because he's saying that Macron's statement is a publicity statement. How do you look at the larger picture?
Suesha, see, the big news that's coming in is now the top military general, who was also very close to Khamenei, has been now eliminated. That's what Israel is now claiming. And this is just after he was appointed as the chief. So Ali Shadmani, he was the top military commander in Iran. Based on the intelligence inputs, this operation was taken on in the central Tehran area, where now IDF has claimed that he has been eliminated. So this is a very big blow to Iran, because this is not happening for the first time, Suesha. In the last 5 days, we've seen the top commanders and many important people inside Iran who were handling the nuclear projects, the military officials, they have been neutralized, they've been eliminated by IDF. And this is another big blow where the newly appointed chief, Ali Shadmani, has been eliminated by Israel based on the intelligence inputs, and the operation goes on. And Iran is facing these blows in last 5 days, Suesha. But very important question that you asked about how Trump can still try to mediate. Trump has actually given out a very specific Truth Social post where he says that he's not mediating. That's what he said when he slammed Emmanuel Macron, the French president. He said that Macron thinks that I'm going back to Washington DC to mediate and take this mediation ahead, but this is not so. He has hinted at something bigger. So what is that something bigger that Trump is planning? Is he trying to initiate some military action inside Iran, or is he going to send more assets for the help and support of Israel? We have to wait and watch, Suesha, but the situation is emerging, and this is a big elimination from Iran by the IDF. That's what it is being claiming. But we have to wait and watch whether America is going to mediate and take the deal ahead, as Iran has been now demanding that it is ready for a truce, it is ready for the peace talks, and many other countries like Russia, China, and other allies of Iran, they are ready to help mediation. But this is an emerging situation where IDF has claimed that it is not targeting the civilians in Iran, but the targets are very specific and clear and measured, and this operation goes on until Iran's nuke capabilities are out of its hands. Suesha.
Oh yes, absolutely. In fact, Shivani, many thanks for getting us the latest.